Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get the dogs to come in. All I have to do is tell them it's time to go in, and they should all start heading for the door. Okay, girls, let's go. Time to go in. Come on, let's go. One last straggler. That's it. Everybody's in. Pretty simple. And they'll be just as enthusiastic. We're going to let them all back out again. All right. Just a demonstration. Okay, let's go out and play. Let's go. Come on, Pie. Come on. Mm-hmm.